If you create PDF for work, study and clients, you may want to control how others use them. In this video, I'll show you how to block copying and printing of a PDF directly on your iPhone. There are many online tools that offer PDF protection, but they often require uploading your files to the internet. For better privacy and safety, we'll use an offline app called Sysweak PDF Editor on iPhone. You can download it from the App Store. Let us get started. Open the Sysweak PDF Editor app on your iPhone. Now go to the PDF tools. Here, tap on Security. Next, tap Open Document and select the PDF file you want to protect. Once the file opens, the security settings will appear. If you want, you can first turn on the option to lock the PDF with a password. Now, to block copying and printing, turn on the toggle for owner password. This password is required to change security settings later. After that, check the option Restrict Document Printing. Then check Restrict Content Copying. Now enter the owner password and confirm it. And that is it. The restrictions are now applied to your PDF. To save the file, tap on Share and save the PDF to files on your iPhone. And you're done. Your PDF can no longer be copied or printed without permission. This is very useful for protecting study material, business documents, contracts, or any confidential files. And since everything works offline, your PDF never leaves your device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment your questions below, and share this video with others who want to protect their PDFs.